What's up? Tip number two. You are your own worst enemy. How many HVAC companies, how many owners, how many technicians who became owners do you see that are just disheveled? They're always, super busy. They're always never sending out paperwork. They're never changing out, they'll take out your motor, they'll never put it back in. Unresponsive, can't handle the text messages, can't handle the phone calls, doesn't bill, doesn't get paid, just all over the place. What is it and why? It's you get in your own head. They just go at it. They don't have a plan. They don't have a process. They don't have a system. They don't have anything. They don't have a strategy. These things are required. You need to write things down. You need to have a plan. You need to have a system. You need to have a strategy. You need to have people. Instead, everybody just gets into their head. They're their own worst enemy. They are their own worst enemy. You just take on more than you can handle. You're always going from job to job and not finishing, not completing. What's the big deal of just finishing a job, billing the job out, getting paid? And granted, this is different, residential, commercial, it's obviously different. But what's the problem of just taking a step back? A guy needs a part at the customer's site. Go call the supply house, get the part, price the part, give it to the customer on the spot instead of, oh, I'll send you a quote. How many times do you hear, I'll send you a quote, I'll send you a quote, and then all of a sudden, no quote. This person's texting you, the other person's texting you now, new calls are coming in, you're going to the new calls, you never completed the old ones, and then all of a sudden, the truck breaks down and shit hits the fan and you're just a disaster. You are your own worst enemy. You get into your own head and you just do things without a proper plan. Take a step back. Think about it. Be smart about it. Have a plan in place. Take on less than you can handle. Don't take on more than you can handle. We realize the less we take on, the more we can upsell and the more we can get from our existing customers. So why take 2 customers at $100 when you can take 1 customer for $300 and be relaxed about it? Be simple about it. Anyways, you are your own worst enemy. Tip number 2 is to think about it, focus on it, and work on a game plan, work on a system, a situation of how to prevent it. If you need any help, comment below, talk, join the Facebook group. HVAC Alliance is the group. There's a link below also. We're here to help. If you need ways and tips and tricks on how to get your shit together, how to get yourself in order, just ask. We're here.